If a door of opportunity will not open, I suggest you create one. This is Brother Arun Gogna, and I welcome you to Gognats, Nuggets of Wisdom, Wit, and Wackiness. If the door of opportunity will not open, I strongly suggest you create a door. You create your own opportunities, and I believe you can do this. Kunyari, walang trabahong tumatanggap sa iyo. Sa akin, gumawa ka ng sarili mong trabaho. Open a business. Or if there is no opportunity for you to be courted, walang nanliligaw sa iyo, ano gagawin mo? Ay, gawa ka ng paraan para may manligaw sa iyo. Magpaganda ka, mamasyal ka, join other groups. But you have to create your own door of opportunity. Hindi kasi lahat merong door of opportunity. Hindi lahat merong pintong ganito sa buhay na palaging nandyan. Pag wala yan, I strongly suggest you create your own door. You can. God has given you the talent, the gift. You just need to have courage to do this. And if you are grown up already, my suggestion is do not blame other people if the door is not there. Because you can create your own door. Kunyari, ikaw ay nag-aaral, hindi mo makuha yung study, hindi mo makuha yung exam, hindi mo maintindihan, ay magtanong ka. Punta ka sa teacher mo, tanong ka sa classmate mo. Wag during exams, ha? But you have to create your own door of opportunity because you can do this. And if once your door is there, open it, enter it, and be blessed. Because you can create your own door of opportunity. You know, in my life, I have created doors of opportunity, not just for me, but also for others. Because I have seen their talent and their giftedness. And so I created a door for them, or they were creating the door, I was helping them. Also in my life, I have created many doors. I've written books because of the help of others. I have written songs that are platinum, are albums already. So I try to create my own door of opportunity. Huwag niyong palaging inihintay yung pinto ng oportunidad. Kasi minsan hindi ito darating. Kaya ang gagawin mo, you create your own door. So my dear friends, don't just wait for opportunities to come. Create opportunities in your life. And I know God is there for you. And God will guide you, and God will build this door with you. Don't just wait for Him to build it. Build it with God. This is Brother Arun Gogna for Gognats. And if you like this video, share this to your friends, lalo na yung kailangan makarinig nito, ha? Thank you for watching, and I will see you again tomorrow. God bless you.